Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBP USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the uptrend. So let's get to daily chart. In daily, new low, pullback, and then going down. Is it? Let me see. Come back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are again consolidating. Okay, so uptrend. Okay, I will stick with my words. I had been telling you since last 1 week that we are still in the uptrend. Okay, but right now this is consolidation. If you go and watch my maybe a couple of days ago video on GBPUSD, I told you in last 2 videos that either the market will be consolidating or a breakout. How many days it will be consolidating, I have no idea, because dollar is being manipulated. They are not releasing their actual news. The news is pending for this coming Friday, but don't trust them. So personally, I will not recommend you to trade any dollar pairs right now. There are too many pairs for these non-USD pairs you can trade. And if you want to trade non-USD pairs, if you want some signals, you can check out my premium signals below the video if you want to. Otherwise, right now, as per the chart here, because you go and watch my Euro USD analysis, which I just did before this video. So in Euro USD, we have a pattern that we're gonna go up. Okay, so these Euro USD and GBP USD, they work similarly. So if Euro USD is gonna go up, then GBP USD is supposed to go up as well. Okay, coming back to 4 hour here again, you see this was your bullish breakout. Okay, this whole big blue candle closed above the EMI, and we were supposed to continue going up. If they would have released the dollar news on Friday, we would have continued the uptrend smoothly. But they manipulated the dollar, they held the news. That is why we are consolidating now. We are again getting a bullish breakout, but you can't trust dollar right now. Okay, so I don't trust dollar. I am not gonna touch dollar pairs at the moment. Okay, but as per the price section, you could see Euro USD is is in the uptrend. Okay, and go and watch my video for Euro USD. Similarly, GBP USD is supposed to go up as well because Euro USD is going to go up. Okay, but I don't care because I don't trade. I will not trade these dollar pairs for some time now. Okay, because I think what happens personally. What I think is, when you trade dollar pairs, then you literally have to wait until the US market opens to hit your take profit or to see the momentum. Okay, I mean, it might be depending on your country, it might be good or bad for you. because in my country, US market is the last, I mean, where I live in my time zone, US market is the last market to open. Okay, so before US, the first market to open in my time zone is New Zealand, then Australia, then Japan, then England, then London, England. Okay, and lastly, US market opens. Okay, so I don't really, you have to wait. So, for example, if I open my trade 2 days ago, then you have to, wait for US market to roll in. Until then, you go and draw on. Drawdown is not a problem for me. Waiting is the problem. Okay, because what bothers your mind is not the drawdown, it's the waiting period. Okay. Anyways, so I think US economy is giving me actually a motivation to not trade dollar pairs anymore, at least for some time now, because it's not predictable anymore. They're in the shutdown and they have their own reasons. If the country is fucked up, I think the whole world is fucked up actually. So you just squeeze whatever profits you can squeeze from whatever economy. Okay, so I think if you trade those pairs such as euro, AUD, euro, JPY, stuff like that, then you have potential because those pairs are not really affected by dollars. Okay, so GBPUSD, if you still want to trade, look for longs. That's what I will say as per the price action, because in 4 hour we are getting the bullish breakout again. So it's up to you. It's your call. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like, do blah blah blah. And if you want to join free Telegram, that's here. We discuss everything in the beginning. Subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.